Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this makeup look right here, which is my light, natural, effortless weekend makeup look. Because I have eyelash extensions, I just really went for perfecting the base and using all natural and healthy makeup products. Well, almost all healthy makeup products. But if you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. Starting out with primer, I'm going to use my Glow Skin Beauty Mattifying Primer, and I've already actually applied my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Concentrate Oil, and I let that sink in a little bit before I go in with this primer, because the oil kind of keeps my skin hydrated and happy throughout the day and kind of helps the tone be even because my skin's kind of nice and hydrated and just not angry. But I do tend to get oily and have some larger pores, so this mattifying primer just works in conjunction with that to kind of keep my makeup looking how it did when I applied it all day long. Since it's the weekend and I'm going for a natural, healthy look, I'm going to be using my 100% pure Superfruits Healthy Foundation, and I have this in the shade Crème. I'm going to take this onto my damp beauty blender, and this will probably take a couple pumps, but I really love this foundation. It really just keeps my skin happy and doesn't irritate it at all like most liquid foundations do. For a healthy foundation, this has really great coverage, but I do need just one more pump for my cheeks. For concealer, I don't have a healthy option, so I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and they market themselves as natural, even though they're not really, so we'll just pretend like it is for the sake of the video. And this is really super full coverage, so the rest of this look is pretty light, but we're just gonna go full on with the concealer today to really brighten us up. And I just take 2 clicks of the YSL on top of that and try to blend it out a little bit. And then I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and blend this out. And now that the under eye concealer is blended out, I'm going to set it with my Well People Bio Brightener. This is their translucent setting powder. And I'm just taking this on the brush because I find that it kind of clumps up when I use it with the beauty blender to set. So this way it just works a little better. I don't know why. Concealer is set, and now to set the rest of the face, I'm going to use my Osmosis color. This is their Mineral Pressed Base. I have mine in the shade Fair. I'm just going to take this on a big fluffy brush all over the face to set the rest of my makeup. With the face all set, next up is bronzer, and I'm going to use another Glow Skin Beauty product. This is their bronzer in the shade Sunlight, which is really nice. This is my go-to healthy bronzer, and I'm going to take this on my Osmosis full face brush just to bronze everything up. And now for highlighter, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter at the moment, which is the RMS Beauty Living Luminizer, and this is a cream highlight. And even though I already applied powder products, I find that this works okay over powder, so I just pick some up on my damp beauty blender and smush it in right where I want it. And this is really beautiful on no makeup days, which is what I've been doing all week long. But today I'm actually putting on some makeup, so it goes really well with the full face as well. To finish off the cheeks, I'm going to take my Osmosis blush in the shade Poppy on this big Estee Lauder blush brush. And I'm just barely picking up any because this is super pigmented and blending it into my cheeks. Okay, and then the last step for this light, natural weekend makeup look is going to be lip gloss, and this is my Sara Happ One Luxe Gloss in the Nude Slip, which I talk about these lip glosses all the time, but they're just absolutely my favorite. This nude shade is just perfection. I've been wearing it every day. I love it so much. Can't live without it. You need this. And lips were the last step. Because I have eyelash extensions, I didn't do any eye makeup at all. Obviously just my brows, but no shadow, no eyeliner, no bottom mascara, nothing. I'm just going for a really light look today, so I just kind of threw on a base. And that's it for this light, natural makeup for the weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this kind of easy, light, everyday look. As always, all the products that I used will be listed in the description box down below. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe down below so you don't miss my next upload. I upload 2 days a week on Monday and Thursday, and thank you so much for watching.